Today, we're thrilled to spotlight a truly remarkable project created by two talented ninth-grade students at Unique School System, a beautiful, fully functional water fountain crafted from everyday materials. Using a battery, a plastic bottle, stones, and a tray, they engineered a miniature fountain that not only circulates water but also features captivating electrical lights, creating a soothing ambience. This project required careful planning, creativity, and teamwork, as they designed a system to pump water through the bottle and over the stones, bringing their vision to life. Their fountain is not only a testament to their engineering skills but also reflects their dedication and problem-solving abilities. This hands-on project highlights the innovative spirit we cultivate here at Unique School System. Congratulations to our young inventors for a job well done.